All right, guys, so today we are going to be working with different types of measurement. And one type of measurement that we're going to be looking at today is money. And with money, we've got to think about it because we can add, we can subtract, we can multiply, we can divide, all those different things. But we're going to look at 5 sample story problems today. And then you will have your own math story problems involving money to figure out. So our first question, it says a large pizza cost $8.90 and a small pizza cost $5.20. What is the difference between the price of a large pizza and a small pizza? So in this case, remember that when we're talking about difference means subtraction. So what we are going to do is we are going to do $8.90. So do $8.90 minus $5.20. So in this case, we're going to stack it up just like we would any other time, but we're going to go ahead and drop that decimal place down right where it goes because we're going to do 0 minus 0, which is 0, and because there's no pennies. And now we're going to do our dimes. So 9 dimes minus 2 dimes is 7. So we have 70 cents. And then we have our dollar amount, which is why we have our decimal place. So 8 minus 5 is 3. So there is a $3.70 difference. Now we're going to look at, says each donut costs $2.20. How much does 6 donuts cost? So in this case, we could think about it as multiplication or repeated addition. But since we don't know how to multiply decimals, we're going to repeatedly add. So I'm going to add $2.20 6 times. But I'm going to do it a little differently because I don't have to add all of those. Because this right here is 2 donuts. $2.20 plus $2.20. So 0 plus 0 is 0. 2 plus 2 is 4. I'm going to drop that decimal place down. 2 plus 2 is 4. So I know that 2 donuts is $4.40. So if I do 4.40 plus 4.40, that's 2 donuts and 2 donuts. So 0 plus 0 is 0. 4 plus 4 is 8. And dropping my decimal place down, and 4 plus 4 is 8. So that was 4 donuts. So now I need 2 more donuts still. So I have $8.80. I'm going to add $4.40. So 0 plus 0 is 0. 8 plus 4 is 12. So what that means, I'm still going to do it just how I would before, is 2, carry my 1, drop my decimal place. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. So it costs $13.20 for our donuts. Our next problem, it says 4 hamburgers cost $10. Fries cost $2 each. How much does 1 hamburger with fries cost? Okay, so in this case, we got to start thinking. I got $10, okay? And I got to figure out how much it costs for 4, and that's for 4 hamburgers. And I have to figure out how much it costs for 1 hamburger. So in this case, I'm going to start thinking about, well, what's the closest I can get to $10 with 4? So if I do 4 hamburgers, that's, if I do 4 and I do $1 piece, that's $4. If I do $2, because that's 4 times 2, that's $8. And I have $2 left over. So in this case, I'm going to say that 4 times $2 is $8, and I have $2 left over. So I have to think now. I have $2, so $2, okay? And I need to think, how can I split this evenly with 4? Well, how many coins can I make that would be 4? So 4 coins to make $1. Well, I know that that's quarters. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4 quarters, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4 quarters. So I know that I'm gonna have 1 quarter and 1 quarter from each spot to my total. which is so far $2. Well, 1/4 is 25 cents, and another quarter is 25 cents, which is 50 cents. So one hamburger then costs $2.50. But that's not what all it's asking me. It's not asking me how much one hamburger costs. It's asking how much does one hamburger and fries cost. Well, it said my fries are $2. So I have $2.50 plus $2. And I know that 2 plus 2 is $4.50 is how much it would cost. So now I'm gonna look down here. It says a can of soft drinks is $1.50 a bottle. Or, sorry, a can of soft drinks is $1.50 and a bottle of juice is $2.80. And it says, what would it cost to buy 2 cans of soft drink and a bottle of juice? So what that's saying is I have $1.50 plus $1.50, because that's 2 cans of soft drink plus $2.80. Okay, well, if I start by adding $1.50 plus $1.50, I'm gonna stack it up. And I have 0 plus 0, which is 0, 5 plus 5, which is 10. Drop down my decimal place, carry that 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. Because I know that $1 plus $1 is $2.50 plus 50 cents is $3. So that is reasonable. Now I have to do, though, my $2.80, so plus $2.80. So in this case, if I stack it up, I know that 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 8 is 8, drop my decimal place down, 3 plus 2 is 5, so it's gonna cost $5.80. Now, our last question. It says a 3-scoop ice cream cone costs $4.80. A single scoop ice cream cone costs less. A single scoop ice cream cone costs $2. Which one scoop costs less for each scoop of ice cream? How much less? So what it's saying is we got to figure out, is a single scoop cheaper, or is getting a 3-scoop, like how much is 3 scoops broken down into 1 scoop? So in this case, I have to figure out how much money that's going to be. So in this case, I'm gonna have my $4. So I'm gonna write this on a separate piece of paper so it's big. So we have $4.80 equals 3 scoops. And we have $2 for a 1 scoops equals 1 scoop cone. Okay, so I know that this costs $2, but now I've got to think, how can I split $4.80 into 3 scoops? So if I started and had my $4, so 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, and then I have 80 cents, so I've got 8 dimes, okay? So I'm gonna say that these are my dimes. I know that I can start breaking this down to where this is 1 cone, 2 cones, 3 cones. So at this moment, if I take those, that's 1 scoop, 1 scoop, 1 scoop. And I have $1.80 left over. Well, now I've got to think, and because I don't know how to divide decimals, I can think about this as my dollar's worth how many cents. We know that this is 100 cents. And I have 80 cents over here because I have my 80 cents. So 100 cents plus 80 cents is 180 cents. And I can divide 180 by 3. So remember, I can do my partial quotient and figure out some of these. So I could do like 1, 2, I might go up to 5 and see where that gets me. So I know that this is 3, or I could do 10 and that's 30. 2 is 6, which if I do it 20, that's 60. 5 is 15. And if I do that times 10, that's 150. That gets me really close. So now I'm gonna subtract 150, which we said is 50 times. And that if I subtract 180 minus 150, 0 minus 0 is 0, 8 minus 5 is 3, and 1 minus 1 is 0. I do have a 30, so I can subtract that, and that was 10 times. And this equals 0. So now I add up my side, 50 plus 10, which is 60. So what that's saying now is if I divide 180 cents between the 3 scoops, that's 60 cents. So if we remember, I had 1 scoop for $1, 2 scoops, 3 scoops. So for $1 for 1 scoop, and then 60 cents also, that I get $1.60 for if I split up a 3 scoop ice cream cone. But we said that this 1 scoop is $2. So which one is cheaper per 1 scoop? Our 2 scoops cost less for each scoop. Oh, that was 3. So 3 scoops cost less for each scoop. And then it says how much less. So I'm not done. So our story problem said how much less. Well, 1 scoop was $2 for its 1 scoop, and a 3 scoop ice cream was our $1.60. And I have to figure out how much less. So that when I see how much less, I know that I'm subtracting. So 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 6, I can't do. So I gotta go over and borrow. So I'm gonna borrow from my $1, and that's gonna make me 10 dimes. So 10 minus 6 is 4. Drop my decimal place down, and 1 minus 1 is 0. So it costs 40 cents less per scoop. On your math page, Mr. Hawkins has the worksheet printed out for you, but you will complete problems very similar to this and then turn it in to the green bin with your name on it. I can't wait to see all your hard work, guys. Bye.